Hey, so real quickly, I'm just going to show you guys how to fix a mistake that you have made on your Google form. If, for example, you realize later that you've picked the wrong answer and you need to fix that so your grades are correct. For example, I just very quickly made a quiz, and right here I put what is 2 plus 2, but I said the answer was 5 and not 4. So the first thing that you're going to need to do, because if you go to here, it's not going to be fun to have to go through and correct all of these to match what is supposed to be over here. So the simple way of doing that is to first of all go to your questions, make sure that you correct it. So go into your answer key, tell it 4, take off 5, make sure that's good. Then you're going to go to responses, and right here, typically you click this, and this is what pops up as your answer spreadsheet. If you go to the buttons right here, the 3 down buttons, it's going to say unlink form. You click on that, and it's going to ask you if you want to unlink this form from your current spreadsheet. You're going to want to unlink it. Once this is done, okay, if you go back here and click on create a spreadsheet again, you can rename it so that it doesn't confuse you. I'm just going to leave mine the same. And it'll create a new one. And now if you look over here, you'll see that it created the correct percentages for you at this point. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye.